Recording is on.
It is the 23rd of October, 2022. This is WIKISPEED Standup. It's just me for today. I guess I will start off. Michael Wolchuk in Saskatoon, Canada. This past week I posted stand-up for last week, and that's all I got done. Next week I am hoping to do a bunch of stuff. Still looking at the Sunfounder, reinstalling Ross, and making progress on Tiziano's demo. Little Red Dragon project, we're looking at adding a brake for the linkage, or wheel brake on the linkage, and a reversing switch. And the tank level project, I'm looking to use a relay that I have been testing to turn off the LiDAR and then turn it back on again when it exits deep sleep. So see if I can get some decent battery life out of it. And my mobile inverter, I want to add external battery posts so that I can charge the battery up after it has been depleted and use solar to do that. And that, I guess, blocks is the only other thing is I've still got a part-time job that has me busy almost full-time. I'm still hurting from tennis elbow, which it's been like, what, 7 or 8 weeks already. It just won't go away. And I'm having trouble with motivation. Um, and then going on to retro, I achieved 1 out of 3 for my weekly plan, and I made it to stand up. So I'm going to give myself 4 out of 7. Sorry, 4 out of 10. And I think we're going to go with 6 out of 10 for the team. And process improvement is still outreach. That about wraps it up for today.